The military wants to change how mental health records are handled in court, and trust me, it is not good news for the defense. Hey, I'm Cody Harnish, UCMJ attorney. Military Rule of Evidence 513 is supposed to protect conversations people have with their therapist. Before we talk about what's changing, let's talk about why it matters. The case that changed everything and gave defense a fighting chance was US v. Mellette. In United States v. Mellette, the court ruled that MRE 513 protects what a patient says to the therapist, but not the diagnoses or prescriptions that come from that conversation. Why is this a good thing for the defense? This case meant the defense could get critical information about the accuser's mental health. This allowed the defense to look into possible ways to expose credibility issues, reveal alternative explanations regarding the allegations, and ensure a more complete picture of what exactly was going on here. If the accuser had a history of false claims, paranoia, dementia, or conditions that affect memory or perception, the defense could bring that context into court. And this was a huge win for justice. Now the 2025 NDAA is pushing back against this case law by suggesting diagnoses and prescriptions should be included and protected as privileged. So what does this mean? The government can still get access to important medical and mental health information to help them prosecute the military accused. So the government might have access to these records that's going to help them prosecute my client, but we, the defense, can't get those records of the alleged victims that actually might clear my client's name. We've all seen how military justice overwhelmingly favors the prosecution, and this proposed change is just going to make it harder for people who are falsely accused of crimes in the military. This move is not about protecting the privacy of mental health records. It's about protecting the prosecution's case and padding the Pentagon's numbers. And when you limit the defense's ability to get the full truth, you don't get justice, you get wrongful convictions.